Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to change the battery in a garage door keypad. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now obviously, your garage door keypad has to be battery operated for this to work. Some of them can be wired. This one is battery operated. You'll likely be able to tell by a little compartment that you can sort of remove and access. So as you can see right here, this is the garage door keypad and it has this compartment at the bottom. What you want to do is remove the compartment cover and you're likely going to expose a battery. So as you can see right here, if I just slide this down, and this is actually slightly broken, so I'm just being careful because I really don't want to ruin it or break it. So as you can see, I slid down the compartment cover and over here we have a battery. So what I can do is take this out right here, okay, and I can just simply remove the battery, and it can be a different kind of battery. It doesn't necessarily have to be a 9-volt one like this, but then you want to take a new battery and place it in place. So in this case, I'm going to take this battery. It's the same one because it still works in my case, but if yours, if you need a new battery, then obviously put a new battery. So make sure the battery is nice and in there properly. Place the battery back in the compartment and then place the cover back in place, just like that. Okay, very simple and straightforward. That is how to change the battery in a garage door keypad. Now, there are different keypads that will look differently than this, but they all have a very similar process for changing the battery. As you can see, this is a LiftMaster keypad, but they're all going to be very similar. If you notice that your keypad doesn't work at all, or if it is sort of not functioning properly, if you're pushing the buttons and it's not working as quickly, then you might want to look into replacing the battery, because it could be another problem, but it definitely could be the battery, and it's most likely going to be the battery. So if you replace the battery, it's most likely going to fix the problem. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.